pickup to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1994 Chevrolet K1500 Extended Cab Silverado. Autumn wood in color. Truck has had a repaint along the way. 5.7 liter 350 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Approximately 121,000 miles on this one, and I'll show you the interior and we'll check out that odometer. Start it up, let you hear it run just a bit. Let's take a look at the front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds, all in nice shape on this one. Lots of times you'll start to see sometimes this chrome on these centerpieces starting to peel, kind of crack or check. Very nice shape. Front grille and bumper on this one. Paint also shows nice. I mean, you are going to find a couple little spots, maybe we had a little touch up here and there, but overall paint in this very nice. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this truck. You can see how straight it is. First off, you see a reflection of the wall to my left. And then the other things, start from rear to front. I want to show you. It's like newer exhaust. And then take a look above and around the wheel wells. You don't see any bubbling. Cab corners. Take a look at this. Solid all the way down along the lower rockers, up and above the front wheel well. So you can see nice condition on this truck. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. This also has leather interior, bucket seats, center console, and we're going to check out that interior here in just a little bit. Take a look at the box. Not all beat up either. Lots of times these trucks, you're going to see them where they've been just used and abused. Not really the case on this one. It spent most of its life, practically its entire life, in Iowa before coming to us. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Something else, you can take a look on this one. How many times do you see these kind of top bumper guards just all beat up? Rusty trailer receiver. No, not on this one. This one is nice. Look at the condition of that. Nice looking truck all around. Again, still pictures. You can see the underside, engine bay, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go down this side once too, just like we did on the passenger side. Above and around the wheel wells. Yeah, you might have a couple little chips here and there on it. But again, take a look at this. Solid, and there's that. Whoops, let me get up there a second. There's kind of that plastic coating. You see that. Smart move putting that on there. They always do that factory. It's good to see that still on there, even though it has had a repaint that will help protect from rock chips and future rusting. Take a look down the lower rockers. Again, you just really don't see any bubbling, any rust coming through. Good looking truck. Riding on the stock rims, BF Goodrich radials. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Again, leather buckets. Power windows, power locks in working order. AC does blow cold. Had that working. Stereo in this one works with the equalizer and cassette player. Now, as far as the seats, you can see leather is showing somewhere as far as where it folds. Does not appear that it is ripped through anywhere, but the leather, little discoloration does show the wear from sitting in it, and you're going to see that out of leather. Kind of like a new pair of shoes. After you've worn them a while, you start to get the natural wear and where they wrinkle at. Of course, this would have the armrests on both sides. Bucket seats. Tilt and cruise, of course. Let's go ahead and start this up. There's your exact miles, 121,600. No indicator lights on, anything like that as far as warning or check engine or anything like that. Everything's good there. You can see the gauge is working. Coming over here to the stereo. Stereo works fine. AC, again, will blow cold. Let's click it on here a second. And again, it does blow cold. Over here, if I turn the radio on, you're going to notice the equalizer will come on with it also. And look at the dash, great shape on the dash. Turn that AC off, it'll get cold in here. Oof. Floor mats, carpeting, also in nice shape. Take a look at the driver's seat. Doesn't show quite the wear that, or excuse me, passenger seat. Doesn't show quite the wear that the drivers will. And of course, second row. There's your interior, as well as the headliner. Also in nice shape. Slip around to the back, sounds like you'd expect. No obnoxious exhaust, anything like that. Sounds like it would have when it rolled off the Chevrolet dealership showroom floor. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second, pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wind up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And this engine bay is what you'd expect too, nice and tidy. 5.7 liter, 350, paired up with automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Something I always liked about these is the trouble light that came with them. This would actually pull out, has a wire on it, so you could go around to the corners of the truck if you're doing something in the evening, happen to have a flat tire or something. And this one here, check it out, it even works. How cool is that? And it had this, which would roll out the light, roll out the wire for the light. You take that and change the spare tire if you need a little extra along the side of the road. The truck's practically 30 years old by now. Becoming a collector if not already. So there you go, 1994 Chevrolet K1500 extended cab, 4-wheel drive, Silverado. Nice autumn wood truck. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call